This week in business, the AI revolution continues to reshape the workforce, and its latest target is the customer service industry. Millions of call center jobs are at risk of automation as companies adopt powerful generative AI to handle customer inquiries, promising efficiency, but sparking debate about the future of work. From the workplace to our pockets, tech giant Apple has finally revealed its AI game plan with a new suite of features called Apple Intelligence. Integrated across its operating systems, it aims to provide a personal and private AI experience using on-device processing and a new partnership with OpenAI. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, its role is evolving from a simple tool to an emotional companion for some. This rise in AI friends is raising profound ethical questions about human connection, emotional dependency, and the potential for manipulation. With AI's growing power comes significant risk, and governments are finding themselves far behind the technology curve. The global race to regulate AI-generated deepfakes is in disarray, with lawmakers struggling to combat fraud and misinformation. Despite the risks, the money keeps flowing, and investors are now targeting a new frontier in artificial intelligence. The focus is shifting from massive cloud-based systems to tiny AI models, which are small and efficient enough to run directly on devices. This trend could power a new wave of private and responsive applications, making it a hot area for startups and venture capital.